So I've rigged up a more elaborate umbrella. I'll take a picture of it later. And it amplifies the sound, so I won't really say very much other than to kind of just shoot around. And here I've got a lot more movement than I did before. Kind of fun. The garden, I love the garden when it rains. Here we can just see the little puddles and rivers. Yeah, I guess I can come out a little, quite a bit further here, beginning to form some erosion. We don't seem to have much coming in the overflow tank because I think it's all feeding off in advance. This puddle I have to do, but here is mostly done. I've got to do a little leveling up here, and here, and up in that corner, and at the bottom of that plank. And then that big puddle, I'll try to zoom. I don't like really zooming here. Hopefully I can see it. I can't, not clear enough, but the puddle under and behind the table. That's an issue I need to look at. So just another little sweep around. Oh, no, let me go back. Okay, that's coming up the umbrella. But it's nice and dry under here. Oh, and you can see here there's because of the runoff, the quite significant flooding around the compost pans. All right, enough for now.